Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about measuring perimeter. At the first, what is the meaning of the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the closed figure. Whatever the figure that we have to find the perimeter, just we need to find the sum of the side length. Just add all of the sides. But because we have some special cases. The first special case that we have, which is rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle will be equals length plus width multiplied by 2. So to find the perimeter of the rectangle will be equals length plus width multiplied by 2. Just add the length and the width, then multiply it by 2. The length will be equal to the longest side, and the width will be equal to the shortest side. But suppose that we have a square. To find the perimeter of the square will be equals. Because all of the sides are equal in length, so just find the side length, then multiply it by 4. So the perimeter of the rectangle will be equals length plus width multiplied by 2. And the perimeter of the square will be equals to the side length multiplied by 4. So in question number 1, we need to find the perimeter. At the first, because all of the sides are equal, then we are talking about a square. Because we are talking about a square, so the perimeter equals the side length multiplied by 4. Whatever the length of the side, just multiplied by 4. So 8 times 4 equal to 32 centimeters. Just write the same unit without any change. Now in question number 2, we need to find the perimeter. If you look at the shape, you will find that the two sides beside each other are different in length, and each two opposite sides are equal. So we are talking about rectangle. Once we have a rectangle, so the perimeter now will be equals length plus width multiplied by 2. Just we add the length, which is 7, and the width, which is equals to 4. So just we add them, then multiply it by 2. So we have 7 plus 4, which equals to 11. 11 multiplied by 2 equals to 22. Just write the same unit without any change. In question number 3, we have the same. We are talking about rectangle because we have the adjacent side are different in length, and each two opposite sides are equal. So the perimeter of the rectangle will be equals length plus width multiplied by 2. So 8 plus 6, then multiply them by 2, which equals 8 and 6 is equals to 14. Once we need to multiply it by 2 will be 2 times 4 equals 8, and 2 times 1 equals 2. So the answer now would be equals to 28. The same in question number 4. In question number 4, we are talking about a square, because all of the sides are equal in length. To find the perimeter of the square, just multiply the side length multiplied by 4. The side length equals to 12, so we just multiply it by 4. So the answer now would be equals 4 times 2 equals 8, and 4 times 1 equals 4. So the answer is 48. Just write the unit without any change. Again in question number 5. In question number 5, you will find that we have the width equal 3 and the length equals 8. We said we have two different sides. The smallest side will be the width and the longest side will be the length. To find the perimeter will be length plus width multiplied by 2 because we are talking about perimeter. But if we need the square, just multiply the side length by 4 because all of the sides are equal. So it will be 8 plus 3, then multiply them by 2. You will find that 8 and 3 equals to 11. 11 times 2 equals to 22. And write the same unit. In question number 6, we have a rectangle. The length is equal to 50, and the width is equal to 3. Because we have here a rectangle, to find the perimeter will be equals length plus width multiplied by 2. So we have 15 plus 3. After that, I will multiply them by 2. 15 and 3 equals to 80. If we need to multiply them by 2, so it will be equals 2 times 8 equals 60. 6 and carry up 1. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1 equals to 3. And write the same unit. And that's how can we find the perimeter of the square and the perimeter of rectangle.